so division, what division truly means is that imagine, like number one, for example, imagine I have $56, or 56, whatever you guys want to call it, but let me call it dollars, and I'm going to divide it in groups of 8. So basically I have $56, and I'm going to give $8 to a person. My question at the end is, how many people would I give $8 to? But let me not just shout the answer. What I expect you guys to do with work, start adding. So if I give one person $8, it's $8. If I give it to another person, it's 16 so far. If I give it to another person, it's $24 so far. I'm going to be adding by 8 until I reach 56. So far I got 24. How much is 24 plus 8? 32. So 32 plus 8, how much is that? 40 plus, so 40 plus 8 is how much? 48. 48 plus 8 is how much? 56. So now that we reach 56, how many 8s do I have? 7. So 56 divided by 8 is 7. Looking at number 2, I'm going to go 5. How much is 5 plus 5? I already reached my 10. How many 5s did it take me? 2. So 10 divided by 5 is 2. So I don't expect just an answer. I expect the addition. And then sometimes you guys, let me break this thing down. Sometimes you guys might have heard 0 divided by 2. And let me also talk about 2 divided by 0. Let's say I had $0 and I have 2 people. Right, $0 and I have 2 people. How many dollars am I going to give to each? Nothing. 0, because I got nothing, right? So 0 divided by 2 is 0. But now, let me talk about 2 divided by 0. Let's say I have $2. I have $2, and then I make a group of 0. How many dollars do I have? 2. Still 2. And then I make another group of 0. How many dollars do I have? 2. And then another group of 0. How many dollars do I have? 2. So I continue making groups of 0, right? Obviously, I never end, and I keep my $2. Since I have infinite many zeros, we call this undefined. Right? If you have nothing, 0 divided by anything is 0. But then backwards is different. Anything divided by 0, we call it undefined. Right? Because I can make infinite 0 groups and I still keep my $2. Does that make sense? Okay. All right. Any questions on your work?